welcome back to school. I do hope you've had a really good weekend. Now, this is a special week for a very special group of children, our Year 6 children. Yes, our Year 6 children are taking a very special test over the next week. And we just want to make sure that they know that we are super proud of them no matter how they do on the test, because we know how special they are. But we also know that they're going to be working extremely hard and doing their absolute best as well. So good luck to our Year 6s. We want you to remember that we love you and we're very, very proud of you. Now, this week our focus for the year of being healthy is on emotions. Do you know what emotions are? Think for a moment. Can you name some emotions? I'm hearing some good ones. Whisper them to your neighbor, come on. Yes, you know a lot of emotions. Some of our favorite emotions are being happy, isn't it? Yeah. Some of our not so favorite is maybe being sad. Sometimes we can feel very annoyed or angry, mad, or maybe we feel joyful, excited. Yeah? Lots of different emotions. Some emotions make us feel good. Some emotions don't make us feel good. What's really important is how you respond to those emotions and to use your words. This week, your challenge is to make sure you use your words to explain to the other people around you how you are feeling. You need to think very carefully about your emotions and use your words to explain what that emotion is. When you're able to explain your emotions, then the people, particularly the adults, can help you to make good choices based on those emotions. Yes? Can we do that? So our challenge is that we talk about our emotions, we choose our words to help us get adults to understand so that they can help us to make good choices, whether emotions may be very good or maybe not so good. We're all about making good choices and making sure our emotions don't get the better of us. Yes? Good. So, good choices this week, everyone. Year 6, good luck. We know you're going to do the absolute best you can, and we're proud of you. And the rest of you, I know you're going to work hard in lessons as well. Have a good week. I can't wait to see you all again on Friday.